आपका स्वागत है। सालूर मंडल में 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस समारोह मनाया गया। निजामाबाद जिले के सालूर मंडल केंद्र के कई गांव में गुरुवार को 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस समारोह मनाया गया। मंडल केंद्र में तहसीलदार कार्यालय में तहसीलदार रमेश ने राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया। इसी प्रकार मंडल केंद्र के साथ साथ मंडल के सभी गांव के सरकारी कार्यालयों, स्कूलों और राष्ट्रीय नेताओं की मूर्तियों पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया गया और राष्ट्रगान गाया गया। इस मौके पर तहसीलदार ने मंडल केंद्र में बात की और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के संघर्षों को याद किया। उन्होंने मंडल के लोगों को 78वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं दी। सालूर के अधिकारी इस कार्यक्रम में अक्षम है और गांव के बुजुर्ग अन्य लोगों ने भाग लिया।
నేను సాలూరా మండల ఎంఆర్ఓ ఇక్కడ అంటే స్వతంత్ర 78వ స్వతంత్ర దిన సందర్భంగా మొత్తం ఆల్ టోటల్ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్లో మరి ఇక్కడ జెండా ఎగరవేయడం జరిగింది। కావున సాలూరా గ్రామ ప్రజలకు సాలూరా గ్రామ మండల ప్రజలకు స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు।
मेरा नाम नंदिनी है। मैं प्रेगनेंसी हाई स्कूल सालूरा में 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। ना पूछो ज़माने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ यह है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। मैं भारत का जवान हूँ, मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता। मैं भारत का जवान हूँ, मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता। पर उस थल की रेत हूँ मैं सियाजल का आसमान। पर उस थल की रेत हूँ मैं सियाजल का आसमान। मैं जून में जलती रेत पर लेटे कहता हूँ कि आज गर्मी कम है। मैं दिसंबर की ठंड पीकर कहता हूँ कि आज सर्दी कम है। मैं बर्फ में 9 दिन दफन रहकर जिंदा निकलता हूँ। मैं हिंद महासागर की लहरों के कपड़े बदलता हूँ। आतंकवाद की औकात क्या, मैं कुदरत से नहीं डरता। मैं भारत का जवान हूँ, मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता। मेरी दिवाली में उजाले का ख्याल तक नहीं, मेरी होली में रिश्तों का गुलाल तक नहीं। चांद हर ईद में तन्हाई में इजाफा लाता है। मुझे राखी बांधने तो सिर्फ एक लिफाफा आता है। मुझे राखी बांधने तो सिर्फ एक लिफाफा आता है। मेरी माँ के पैर छुए मुझे अरसे हो गए हैं। मेरे पिताजी मेरे याद में घर बैठे बूढ़े हो गए। मैंने सहूलत का गला घोटा, अपनी ज़रूरत नकारी है। मैंने इस देश के लिए, इस वतन के लिए अपनी जान तक गंवाई है। मैंने इस देश के लिए, इस वतन के लिए अपनी जान तक गंवाई। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Good morning to everyone. Myself Mahik Sultana. I am studying in 10th standard in Pregnancy High School, Salora. First of all, I wish you a very happy 78th Independence Day to all. This year is going to celebrate. Our school is celebrate 25 years with a silver jubilee. This we are very happy to be a part of Pregnancy High School.
I am from 9th standard. From nursery class, I am studying in the Pregnancy school. Our school is our school is well equipped. Our correspondents had conducted so many programs on the special occasion of Independence Day. So many students are giving speeches, songs, and other cultural activities. So I am also a part of that. So first of all, I am wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. India got independence from the Britishers on 15th August 1947. So many leaders was sacrificed their life to release the India from the Britishers. So I am very thankful to that great soldiers. And our school is also very is a great person who thinks about the students after from going the school. Also they have to study well, and they have to become in their life success. So our principal sir is very great. So thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Standard, a very happy Independence Day to all. In our school, we are studying in a Pregnancy High School, Salura. We are celebrating independence in a grand manner in our school. We are conducting a essay writing, a dance competition, dance competition, speeches, and many we are celebrating a very grand manner. Our principal sir was conducted in very in Pregnancy High School. We are celebrating all our festivals in a grand manner.
Thank you to giving this me wonderful opportunity to V9 News. I am here to say few about my school. I am studying in Pragnasri High School. Our sir is the great person who are encouraging us the what talents the students show, and the sir will says us to how to become a great person. And sirs not only study about the 10th, sir also study about the after 10th what we have to learn, and sir motivate us to how to become a great person. Thank you, sir, to giving me this great opportunity to studying in this school. Today is the 15th August. On this occasion, we are celebrating festival. Independence festival. We are all are gathered here to celebrate a independence. All students, some of few students are participating in program. The students, by seeing the students' speeches, we can say that the Pragnasri High School is very great, and great freedom fighters were devoted their entire life for our independence. Sir also said that speech. In that speech, the freedom fighters how they make independence, and we are thankful to the soldiers. One day Bhagat Singh was said. Principal sir also said that once upon a Bhagat Singh said that they can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirits. Thank you for the once again. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Raju sir and V9 News.
My school name is Pragnasri High School. First of all, I wish you a happy 78th Independence Day. Today we are fortunate and we have our own fundamental rights, and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect, it's need to be made perfect, so it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
got a 10 by 10 marks and triple IT seats, and many great in a great positions.
हमारे V1 न्यूज चैनल को फौरी तौर पर सब्सक्राइब करें और इसके साथ मौजूद बेल के निशान को दबाएं और नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करें।